Hi everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And what you're seeing here is something very special, and you'll get the explanation a little bit further down in the video. Welcome to Friday with Friends. Following me tonight will be Nate Bright Art. And anyone who was before me will be listed down below. So I'll raise up the volume on this video, and you'll see that this video was created almost 2 years ago, and it's just coming to the surface today. Hope you enjoy it, and please wait for the special announcement coming up real soon of who the winner of the contest was from last week. Orange, fluorescent pink, and fluorescent yellow. And being that we're going a pumpkin, I thought it would be cute to pour everything into our little pumpkin here and pour from that. So I was thinking I would start out with some black. Give that a little stir. Black in. Okay. Black. A little fluorescent pink. And this is Pebeo fluorescent pink that I'm using here. Now let's go maybe a little green. Pebeo green. Actually, this is Blick green. Green fluorescent. Put some fluorescent orange. Green, and the last one here is fluorescent yellow. And we can top that off with a little white. Okay, so let me push this aside. Hi everyone, this is Donna from Hollywood, California, and I am really excited because I'm going to be putting all these names into my little water marbling container here, and we're going to be picking out one of the names. Oops, seems like maybe it picked itself. I don't know. It looks like it may have picked itself out. It just flew out. So you know what? I'm just going to call the name. And look at that. Whoops. That looks like it called the Morning Pour with Holly. Yay, Holly! Oh my goodness. Can you believe that? Well, it looks like Holly is the one who won the contest. She went over the video many times. That's what she wrote to me, and she got the correct number of seahorses. Now I am going to put down below the timestamp of all the seahorses, so you can go back and you can check it if you like to see how many seahorses there were. My phone kept falling down. So it's a little late here, and I just want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for entering. I really appreciate it. I'm so happy. Holly, congratulations on winning, and thank you everyone who entered and everyone who watched my video. I really appreciate each and every one of you. A little explanation on this video. This video has been sitting in my on my computer for almost 2 years to the date. as you see in the beginning of the video, it has the date of when it was made, and that was supposed to air like a day or two later, which would bring it almost 2 years to the date of when that video was made. I just found that so intriguing. So that is why you're seeing this video today and not the original water marbling video that I had already done. I found that today and I just had to put it up. I was doing a little short and I found it. I just can't believe it. I think it's awesome that I found it. I love it. And I hope you do too. And thank you everyone again. I don't know how many times I can say thank you, but I appreciate each and every one of you. You inspire me, and I hope I inspire you even a little bit. So let me get on with the video. Let's pour over this pumpkin. And we're actually going to do two things in once. We're going to also pour this. It's going to be on this canvas. But in the meantime, I'm going to put a little cup that I had. As any good Italian, I had some cheese in here. So I'm going to use this up on top. I think I better fix this a little bit. There we go. Oops, almost forgot the Floetrol. Here's my Floetrol. Okay. Pour it all around. Be enough. Pour that on. Okay, that's looking good. Wipe my hands off a little bit. And let's go for it.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are? What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. How come the trees get undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes? Until winter comes. Until winter comes. makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder.
I absolutely love the way this pumpkin came out. The only thing I'm sorry about is that I didn't have a black light at the time to show you how beautiful it really came under the black light. I gave this to my daughter, so I don't even have it anymore. But it really came absolutely gorgeous. It reminded me so much. When it dried a little lighter. Putting the Floetrol underneath it gave it this vintage look. It's just absolutely gorgeous, absolutely stunning. It really was.
Yeah, it makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. Ooh, I just wonder. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, I wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Ooh, it makes me wonder.
So just a few things I can say here is that my paints were very thin. At the time, I was using 1 part paint and 3 parts Floetrol. So my paints were really thin. I don't really remember where I got the recipe for this from. How about that? But I do like the way that this canvas came out. It really looked really pretty. It matched the pumpkin, and I did like it. I didn't get any cells, but that's not what I was looking for at the time. I got some pretty crisp lines there. Not the dimensions that we get today when we use the thicker paint, but I did like it. So this was an exciting video to find. I'm so glad I found it, and thank you all for coming. I really appreciate whoever played in the contest, and thank you, Holly. Congratulations. And this is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off from 2022. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell. Nate Bright Art is next.